unique bond between a reptile enthusiast.
Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Very friendly, very friendly. Very friendly.
A delightful video captured the essence of a unique spectacle, a goose brass band parade. Amidst the bustling Christmas market, geese merrily followed a person leading the way, forming a comical line of feathered harmony. The giraffe appears to reciprocate the sentiment, leaning in for more hugs, showcasing a remarkable bond between human and wildlife.